So I've been away for 2 weeks and boy oh boy, Ikea dropped another round of new products I'm just dying to show you ASAP. I mean, there is no way Ikea expects me to keep up with this many new releases, but we're trying our best here. From new furniture pieces to lamps, decor and little home finds, I immediately want to add in my cart. And today we're diving through all of them. But first, if you're new here, hi, I'm Man, and these here are my two whippets, Mars and Zara, and we love all things IKEA DIY and interior design. So before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell and hit that like button to never miss another video again. Now let's go! We're starting right off with a new sofa IKEA released, and that is the SÖDERHAMN Sleeper sofa. And let me tell you, I have a feeling that this one is going to become one of their most popular sofa launches. People have loved the SÖDERHAMN series for years because of the deep seats and relaxed, loungy look, and now IKEA has finally turned it into a sleeper sofa. Honestly, it just makes sense. I also love that they didn't sacrifice the design to make it functional. It still has that low modern silhouette that designers love, but now it doubles as a guest bed too. If you have people staying over or you're furnishing a smaller apartment, this one just feels like such a smart upgrade. Another new sofa find this summer is the GULLVALLA Sofa, and this one completely surprised me. For under $450, this sofa has such a soft, inviting shape. It's giving slightly vintage, slightly Scandinavian, and honestly, the proportions are just really nice. I also think this is one of those sofas that will look even better once you style with linen cushions, a throw blanket, and a beautiful rug. It has really good bones, plus it comes at a great budget and two neutral colors. The next new IKEA find I have for you is actually a coffee table, and let me tell you, IKEA hasn't released a beautiful coffee table like this in a long time. I mean, the walnut veneer, the round edges, the chunky legs, everything about this coffee table feels warm and timeless. It has a soft MCM look that's really popular right now, and I love that it doesn't try to be overly trendy. It just feels like one of those pieces you could style 100 different ways and just never get tired of. Also, the perfect companion to the coffee table is this so unique side table. This one is so cute and works beautifully on its own next to a sofa or an accent chair. I love how IKEA kept the same rounded silhouette and warm walnut finish, making it feel cohesive without looking too matchy. You can also buy the coffee table and side table together as a nesting set, and they really look good. Now moving on to lighting, the next new IKEA find is this beautiful table lamp, and honestly, IKEA's lighting department deserves a raise. I mean, just look at this lamp. Natural materials have been everywhere lately, and this bamboo and rattan combination just feels so timeless. Even when it's turned off, it adds texture and warmth to a room, which is exactly what good lighting should do. Loving this lamp, and honestly can't wait to get it for lettuce room. Another one in the round of IKEA lamps that the internet will go crazy over is this gorgeous table lamp in this new ceramic finish. I already loved the white version, but I actually think this one is even prettier. The earthy ceramic base feels warm, organic, and much more designer looking. It's exactly the kind of lamp you'd put on a console table or bedside table and instantly make the whole room feel more expensive. Now, a few new IKEA finds for the bedroom are actually the ones from the KRONÖREN bedroom collection, and let me tell you, I absolutely love seeing IKEA embrace natural pine again. There's something so refreshing about furniture that isn't trying too hard, and this chest and nightstand just feel simple, honest, and timeless. And because they're solid pine, you could easily personalize them with stain, paint, or just let them age naturally over time. I also can't believe the nightstand is only $19.99. It's such a simple piece, but that's exactly why I like it. The natural pine gives it that warm Scandinavian look that just never goes out of style, and because the design is so minimal, it can work with almost any bedroom aesthetic. Now moving on to the office, and here we have a few new desks that are to die for. First, we have this one that's entirely made out of bamboo, and if you like calm minimal interiors, you're going to love this one. The bamboo instantly makes it feel warmer than a typical office desk, and I love how clean the design is. No unnecessary details, just beautiful materials doing all the work. It feels like the kind of desk that actually makes you want to sit down and be productive. Another new Ikea desk, but in a more traditional style, is this beautiful desk in green. I love that Ikea is finally giving us office furniture with a little personality. The soft green color just feels fresh without being overwhelming, and the design means it will fit your home instead of making the room feel like an office. Also, this storage unit that's also apart from that same collection is just such a smart little addition to any workspace. It gives you just enough extra storage to keep notebooks, office supplies, or paperwork tucked away while still keeping everything within reach. I also love that it matches the desk, so you can create a workspace that feels cohesive and well thought out. And I couldn't go on without mentioning this add-on unit, which is just so smart and fits perfectly under the desk. I always appreciate products that makes the most out of vertical space instead of taking up more room. This simply sits on top of the desk and gives you extra storage for books, organizers, or little decorative pieces. Now moving on to a few well-known Ikea products that were given new looks this summer, and we're starting off with this gorgeous LINDBYN mirror that now comes in this beautiful gold finish. Mirrors are one of the easiest ways to make a room feel brighter and bigger, but this one also works as a statement piece and I love it so much. The slim gold frame gives it a much more elevated look, and I can really picture it above a console table or a dresser. Another well-known Ikea mirror that was given a brand new look that's to die for is the HOVET mirror that now comes in this gorgeous new oak effect frame. The HOVET has always been one of Ikea's best full-length mirrors, but this new finish completely changes the look. It feels warmer, softer, and much more custom than the classic black version. I honestly think this will become the new favorite. Now another new Ikea find is this cute little cabinet with glass doors. This cabinet is already becoming a favorite among designers because it works in literally every room as a bar cabinet, as plant cabinet, bookshelf, dining storage. You really cannot go wrong. And this new color gives it so much more personality. It feels playful without being overwhelming, and I absolutely love seeing Ikea experiment with bolder finishes. The next new Ikea find is this wooden magnetic knife block, and this feels so much more premium than the traditional knife block we are used to seeing at Ikea. Instead of hiding your knives, it turns them into part of your kitchen styling. The next new Ikea find I have for you is a decor piece, and that is this beautiful, beautiful candlestick that feels just like something straight out of a designer home. Sculptural candle holders are still having such a moment, and this one manages to feel modern while still being timeless. Even without candles, it works as a decorative object, which is usually a sign of a really good piece. Now the next new Ikea find is probably the most fun one in this whole video. I just absolutely love when Ikea doesn't take itself too seriously, and this doormat is exactly that. It's playful, unexpected, and such an easy way to add personality before people even walk into your home. And finally, Ikea has released some beautiful new artwork. One of my favorite is this bold floral print, which instantly adds color and makes a wall feel more alive. I just love it so much. And then there is the adorable cat print, which honestly has so much personality. Both of these come framed, making them such an easy way to fill an empty wall without having to overthink it. I always say artwork is what makes a home feel lived in, and Ikea has been doing a really good job with their prints lately. And that's a wrap for today. Now tell me, which new IKEA find was your personal favorite? Mine is definitely the SÖDERHAMN Sleeper sofa, and also not to mention that gorgeous rattan table lamp. I'm getting it on my next trip to IKEA. Now, if you're not already subscribed, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell, allowing all notifications to never miss another video again. Next week, we are doing some hidden gems from IKEA's new collection, and I just can't wait to share them with you. Thank you so much for watching and for sticking with me to the very end. And as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! I mean, did you miss this too? Let's just head on to them so I can do a little bit of a story time. So again, Mars is back on the armchair and Zara here is just laying down in the bed. These two were vacationing with us actually. They were camping with us in Greece, and oh my god, you guys, if you follow me on Instagram, you already know they just burned their tiny paws in the hot sand from running around too much, and there was no way for us to just stop them. And since we're camping, they were like out and about all the time, and it was just a chaos. But they are fine now. They're all fine now, so do not worry. This little girlie here will soon turn 1 year. Can you believe it? Can you believe it, guys? How time passes. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye!